Like I wouldn't even be able to pretend to be like, oh yeah, like I wouldn't sell my soul for like
A
to
cheeseburger.
to make money off of like a sponsorship or something. Like if they offered me money, it would be like what's that one movie? I think you showed it to me. Wayne's World.
What? Yeah. No,
Remember
that's
that?
what I was referring to.
Okay, yeah, it would be like that scene. I'd make a parody out of it. Oh crap! It's the pig, and she has the cool skin.
So you would like let's say you're being sponsored by Jeffrey Epstein or something.
Oh no,
You
never,
would do it.
no, never, no, no, never mind. Maybe not that.
See,
No,
so you have some scruples then.
I mean not anything that's obviously bad, you know.
So as long as the public doesn't know that they're bad.
The public and me.
It's your game.
The public and me. I'm part of the public. This map on Bubba is hell. Yeah, there's so many like obstacles. Fun fact: I am known garbage, hot garbage with Bubba because of that very fact. I'm also pretty bad at Blight. Makes me laugh when I see statistics and it's like, oh yeah, you know, Blight's the best killer in the game, and I'm like, yeah. So why don't I win consistently with him?
I cannot figure out how to use light.
Just run it. You just gotta run in a straight line and like crash into things.
I've tried that, and then like whenever I try to hit someone, I don't know if I'm pressing the wrong buttons or something, but it just
How get around rock? Basically, that's me. As soon as I'm playing Blight or as soon as I'm playing Bubba, I gotta like look up tutorials. How to chainsaw around objects. How not to suck. Bubba for dummies. What the fuck is that noise? I'm going for the hook. Is that TV a charm? No, it's not. I'm going for the hook. I got you, buddy. Don't
I got
worry.
this fucking
Don't
raven
worry
keeps
too
scaring the
much.
shit out of me.
This map is hell in general. I get lost in the streets. Yeah, me too. Deadass, me too. My best shot was Springtrap was throwing the axe from one side of the main stairs and RPT to the other and hitting someone. I hope you clip that, because I'd like to see that. I thought that Springtrap's axe was very similar to Huntress's, but it's not. It's heavier, right? Like it arcs like you have to like lob it differently. Oh, there's a gen. Actually, I should probably go for that. But that was when he was like new and no one dodged really. Yeah, I totally,
Sure.
I totally just walked in. No, 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 no. I'm taking a hit. No. Just pre-drop that. Create some distance. It's probably gonna hurt me later though. Still chasing me. Might have left me.
Shit!
Yeah, she left me.
I thought she was on somebody else.
Sorry. I didn't know for sure if she had dropped chase.
You know, I hope you go down, girl, because I tried to heal you.
2 pigs in 1 session.
I'm trying to
is
be
rare.
cordial with you.
I think this is our 3rd or 4th pig actually. Right, then we played like 4 pigs tonight, right?
Yeah, and I think we've lost again. So
We've lost against every single one. I love this diversity in killers, to be honest with you.
Yeah, we've had a good mix.
I think there was like there were a few nights where it was like just Wesker and who else?
Yeah, I hate when it's all Wesker.
I don't even mind Nurse that much if I get
Thunder.
to see that cool skin.
Seth, come on.
What?
You're laying it on thick.
I'm not laying anything on thick. It's just a cool skin. Weren't you, Mr. all excited when you saw the dredge with that green skin?
But the dredge skin is actually cool though.
The Nurse's skin is really cool. The new one, the one with her head on fire.
Not as cool as the dredge has no bad skin.
Now who's laying it on thick? You will not get me. I will not give you my booty. It's my booty, not yours. You can't
That
have
one
it.
that just got locked has like 60% bonus.
Booty is mine, not yours. I will not give you my booty.
Well, at least you didn't cage me.
Stop me. Stop. No! She tricked me! Well played.
Clever girl.
You wouldn't go near a pallet, coward. Come on, you guys. I'm just hanging around town. Actually, yeah, focus that gen then. Although I don't see her on Michaela, so that means that she might be near you. Then again.
There she is. She thinks she's sneaky, but she's not.
She thinks she's hot, but she's not. Is that what it is then?
Where's the pallet?
Oh, the gen locked.
No.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. There you go.
Put a chastity on me. She's coming right to you. Steph, run, 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 run. She's sneaking up, she's sneaking up. Ooh, she's about to finish the other one.
Well,
Wait,
sorry,
can I leave
Dan.
if it's not
We
activated?
did every. Yeah, as long as it's not activated, you're fine.
Okay, don't get me until she finishes it. Okay, it should be good. Ooh.
Well, fuck.
She's not picking you up on the summer.
No, she's not.
Are you able to get yourself back up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't like our chances. I'm not gonna lie to you, then. Hurry. It is what it is, man. Get out of here, Din. I didn't.
My
Bro,
God.
all I did was press. Whatever.
It's okay.
No, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. No, no, you don't want to do this. Fighting colors on this map is hell on earth. Yeah, I agree. Good thing it lights up. That was pretty whack, I'm not gonna lie. GG. Cherry Lover. I think I recognize that name, to be honest.
We did our breasts. fine.
Dude, I went against an unwinnable 3-man wiggle build.